Hello students, welcome to my channel Simply Mathematical. So today in this video we will study the Venn diagrams. Okay, so what are Venn diagrams now? So Venn diagrams are, or Venn diagram is a way to represent the relationship between the sets, okay, by the means of the diagrams. Okay, so that is the meaning of Venn diagram. So Venn diagrams so Venn diagrams is a way to represent the relationship, right, between the sets. Okay, relationship means we will study what are those. So you have something called as union, intersection, okay, and difference, okay, that we will study later. But Venn diagrams are generally what is a way to represent the relationship between the sets. Okay, now so let us take an example. Now if you have a set U which is a universal set, okay, which is the universal set for this example. So if you have U equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, okay. So if you have this set, right, and if you have a set A which is equal to 1 2 3 4, okay, now this you can represent by the means of Venn diagrams. Okay, so the universal set, okay, U is represented by a rectangle. Okay, so universal set is represented by a rectangle. Okay, so this is the universal set. Now this A is a subset of the universal set, right? So that is represented by a circle. Okay, so subsets of universal sets, the subsets of universal sets are represented by circles. Okay, so this is the set A. Okay, now here you have, so you have to write all the elements of the subset inside the circle A. Okay, so you will have 1 2, right, 3 and 4. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 are inside A, right? So what about the rest of the elements in a universal set? So the rest of the elements you write outside A. Okay, outside A you write rest of the elements in the set U. So what you will get here? 5, right, 6 7. You can write the elements anywhere, okay, but they should be outside A. Okay, 8 9 and 10. Okay, so this is how you represent the universal set, the Venn diagram. Okay, so this is how you draw the Venn diagram. The universal set is represented by a rectangle, okay, and the set A is represented by a circle. Okay, now let us go to the second example, okay, or the second illustration here. Okay, so here you are given the universal set U, okay, which is equal to the set 1 2 3 up to 10, right, and you are given the sets A and B. So the set A is equal to the set 2 4 6 8 10, and the set B is equal to 4 6. Okay, these are the subsets of the set U. Okay, that is the universal set. and also it is given that B is a subset of A, right? Now you can see that every element of B is a element of A. Okay, so B is a subset of A here. Now let us see how to draw the Venn diagram for these sets, right? So now U is given to be what? 1, 2, 3 up to 10, right? The set A is given to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, and the set B is given to be 4, 6, right? Now, so let us draw the Venn diagram for these sets. Okay, now you know that universal set you have to draw it as a rectangle. So draw a rectangle, right? So this is the set U. Okay, now there are two sets given to you, A and B, right? Now A set will be, okay, a bigger circle, right? So you draw a bigger circle here. Okay, so this is the set A, right? Okay, now we have to draw the set B. Now you can see that B is a subset of the set A, right? So the set B will be inside the set A. So you have to draw the set B as a smaller circle, right, inside the set A. Okay, so this is the set B, right? Okay, now you look at the elements of B first. Okay, so they are 4, okay, and write it inside the set B. So they are what? 4 and 6, right? So these are the elements of set B, right? Now you look at the set A, okay, and you have to write all the elements of set A inside this circle A. Okay, so 2 is there, right? 2 is there. Then 4 you have already written, right? And 6 also you have already written. Okay, now you have to write the next element, that is 8, right? And then the element 10. Okay, so these are the element, this is how you have to draw the set A and B. Okay, and the elements inside each of the sets. Now you can see that the elements in the set A are what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? And the elements inside B are what? 4 and 6. Okay, now you have drawn the elements of set A here, right? Now there are elements in this universal set, okay, also which are not in A. Okay, so you have to write all the elements which are outside the set A, right? And you have to write it outside this circle A. Okay, so what are the elements? So 3 will be there, right? 3. Then you have the element 5, right? Then you have the element 7. Okay, so 1 is also there, right? 1 is there. Okay, so 1 is there outside A, then 2 is inside A, then 3 is outside A, right? 4 is inside A, 5 is outside A, right? 6 is inside A, right? 7 is outside A, then 8 is inside A, then you have the element 9, right? 9 is outside A. Okay, then also 10 is inside A. Okay, 10 is inside the set A. Okay, now this is how you have to draw the Venn diagram. Okay, a Venn diagram for the sets, okay, which are these U, A and V. So we have drawn a set A, okay, as a circle, and a set B which was a subset, so you have drawn it inside the circle A, okay, and the universal set you have drawn as a rectangle, and all the elements, so the elements of A you have drawn inside the circle A, right, but B was a subset of A, right, so you have to write all the elements inside B, okay, which are in B here, and the elements which are outside the set A, right, you have to draw outside the circle A here, okay, and those are the remaining elements of the universal set, okay. So that is how you have to draw the Venn diagram. Now that's it in the video. I'll see you guys in the next video.